that will be doing. What is formula for electrical power? Any of you are able to recollect?
VI.
What is formula for power? Electrical power?
Electrical work upon time.
That means what will be electrical work?
VIT upon T.
VIT upon T.
Vi is electrical power, or V square upon R is electrical power, or I square
I
R
square R.
power. So actually it is work upon time, time gets cancelled. So this is formula for electrical power. You are given 4 bulbs of 25 watt, 40 watt, 60 watt and 100 watt. Of power, all operating at 230 volt. Which of them has lowest resistance? Options are 25 watt, 40 watt, 60 watt, 100 watt. Which will have lowest resistance? All these bulbs with different power are connected to same voltage. So if I use same voltage and different resistance wala concept, then I should select a formula which contains V and R. So can I take this formula for power?
Yes.
I'm not
Yes, sir.
taking this because current I don't know. I am not taking this because R is not given. So I can say V square upon R. But V is constant, they are saying. 230 volt is constant.
Yes, sir.
So power is inversely proportional to resistance. That means resistance is inversely proportional to power. What is meaning of inverse? If power more, resistance less, correct?
Resistance less.
So we want lowest resistance. So R will be minimum if power is maximum, correct? Na? That is here 100 watt, not followed. No,
Followed, sir.
Followed, sir.
solve, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next, write down. Which of the following, this I can clear now.
Yes, sir.
Which of the following is an ohmic conductor? Ohmic conductor means obeys Ohm's law. Who will obey Ohm's law? Metal or non-metal or insulator? Who will obey Ohm's law? Not knowing? Hello? All metals, they obey Ohm's law. Out of this, which is metallic wire, can you predict?
Electrolyte.
Electrolyte is not wire, na? Electrolyte is liquid, na? This is so liquid.
Sir, nichrome wire.
Transistor is called semiconductor. There are three types of substance: conductor, insulator, semiconductor. This is also semiconductor. Who is metal then out of this? This is metal. Nichrome wire is metal, na?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes, sir.
obeys ohmic law. D is the answer. You can write down metal obeys Ohm's law. Metal obeys Ohm's law. बाजू में लिख दो कौन सा चीज क्या है. ट्रांजिस्टर इज सेमीकंडक्टर, वैक्यूम ट्यूब इज सेमीकंडक्टर, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट इज लिक्विड,
Then, sir.
now one very good sum I am going to do. 101% that will come in every college. The wire of length L and resistance capital R is stretched so that its radius of cross section is half. What is its new resistance? 5R, 8R, 4R, 16R. Please copy full, then I'm explaining you. Resistance is made half while stretching. Then what is new resistance? Yes, written full now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you stretch wire, suppose this is one wire. of area A1 length L1, what will be its volume? A1 L1.
Yes, sir.
Same wire when I stretch, then definitely length will become more and area will become less. But this material remains same or not? Same
Sure.
material खींच गया ना ऐसा?
Yes, sir.
So volume V2 is A2L2, but V1 is same as V2. Suppose this is one glass. I fill water of 1 liter. फिर एक bucket लिया. Fill water of 1 liter. Same. Volume is constant or not? खाली ये अभी area कम हो गया ना इसका. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So whenever we stretch wire, what remains same? Volume.
Volume.
So whenever they say wire is stretched, your mind should give you that highlight that when wire is stretched, volume remains same. Therefore, V1 is same as V2. So A1, L1 is A2, L2. A1 upon A2 will be L2 upon L1. What is formula for resistance in length and area? Rho L by area.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I say R1 will be rho L1 upon A1? Because material same, so rho will same. R2 will be rho L2 upon A2. That means R1 upon R2 is rho L1 upon A1. Divide by this means A2 upon rho L2. Divide मतलब ये उल्टा होता है, बराबर? Rho cancel. So we get R1 upon R2 is L1 upon L2 into A2 upon A1. Okay. Hello, this much clear?
Yes, sir.
और
Sir.
शॉर्टकट में भी लिख सकते हैं. For same material, R is proportional to L by A. So R1 upon R2 is L1 upon L2 into A2 by A1. Please copy till this.
Done, sir.
Okay. Aman, you have understood this, Aman?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aman as well as one more student has joined today. Aman, you have understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any doubt, please keep on asking her. See, so I have just created one formula. When wire is stretched, then R1 upon R2 is L1 upon L2 into A2 by A1. Now, can I write A2 by A1? See, we got like this. A1 upon A2 is L2 by L1. So A2 upon A1, can I write L1 by L2?
Yes, sir.
So this will become L1 upon L2 the whole square. So you have to remember when length is given by stretching become double, triple, half, then write R1 upon R2 is L1 upon L2 square, or R1 upon R2 equals to. In place of L1 upon L2, you can write A2 upon A1. From here, A2 by L1 upon L2 is A2 upon A1. Or what is area formula? Area of a circle, pi r square.
Pi r square.
Pi r square.
So this is pi r2 square, pi r1 square, the whole square. That will become r1 upon r2 is r2 upon r1. This power 2 becomes 4. So we have got now three formulas when wire is stretched. R1 upon R2 is L1 upon L2 square. R1 upon R2 is A2 by A1 square. R1 upon R2 is R2 upon R1 raised to 4. So based on this, in our case, they are saying length is L, radius is R, resistance R, wire is stretched, so that radius of cross section becomes half. So here, radius of cross section is becoming half. So my R1 upon R2 will be half R1 upon R1 raised to 4. That means R upon R2 is 1 by 16. So R2 is 16 times R. Okay. Understood now full? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please copy. पक्का एक क्वेश्चन आएगा. Either length becoming double half or area becoming double triple half or radius.
Done.
Okay. Again, similar type but with different information. Masses of three pieces of wires made of the same metal. Masses of three pieces of wires made up of same metal are in the ratio 1:3:5, and their lengths are in the ratio 5:3:1. The ratios of their resistance are: first option 1:3:5, second 5:3:1, third 1:15:125, and last 125:15:1. Please copy the question, then I'm explaining. Masses are made up of same metal but in the ratio 1:3:5. Written?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you read carefully, what is same? Metal is same, na?
Yes, sir.
If metal same, then what is same? Density of material, same material is same. And specific resistance or resistivity is also same. So whenever you see same metal, then remember resistivity, that means rho, that is same, and density of material is same. We want ratio of resistance, where length is given, mass ratio is given. So I'm converting my formula of resistance, which is rho L by area, in terms of length and mass. Then only I can substitute. Not followed? Hello? Hello?
Say.
See, rho L by A. I know length. Then I know mass. So I don't know area. So I should convert this area in terms of mass or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is density formula?
Mass upon volume.
Mass upon volume. And what is volume? Area
Area.
into length. Yes. This density I'm writing D. So can I write area as M upon DL? From here, can I write? Yes. So R will become rho L, area is M upon DL. Very, very important sum again. So R will become rho L DL upon M. So R is rho D L square upon M. मैंने ये बाहर करके रखा है मेरे दिमाग में. Whenever mass and length comes, same material, rho d L square upon M, rho d L square upon M, rho d L square upon M, rho d L square M. Yeah, I have remember. Because in exam there is no time to do all this calculation. So rho d L square upon M I have remembered. You please copy till this and try to memorize rho d L square upon M, rho d L square upon M. Or rho L by A, area is missing. So convert that from density mass upon volume because we want mass. So density se start kiya. Density is mass, volume is area into length. So area becomes mass upon dl. Therefore, R is rho L upon area. Area is mass upon dl. This dl will go in the numerator. So it will become rho L dl upon M. So rho d L square upon M is our formula when mass and length given. Once you complete, tell so that I will substitute and get the required ratio. Completed?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just one ratio, a concept you explain me. If A upon B is 2 upon 3 and B upon C is 3 upon 4, then what is A is to B is to C?
2:3:4.
2:3:4.
2 is to, this 3 same as the 2 is to 3 is to 4. Perfect. But if A upon B is 1 upon 2 and here B upon C is given 4 upon 9. अभी इसको 4 बनाना पड़ेगा ना, तभी ये कंबाइन हो सकता है, बराबर ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we multiply this each term by 2 2.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes.
tell what will be ratio? 2 is
2
to
is to 4 is to 9.
9. Okay, very good. We are interested in ratio of resistance when ratio of mass and length is given. So R is rho d L square upon M. So R1 upon R2 will be L1 upon L2 ka square into M2 by M1. Any doubt till this? Yes,
No,
Kathan?
sir.
No, na? What is L1 upon L2 given? 5 by 3? See, 5 by 3
Yes, sir.
and M2 by M1, 3 by 1. M दिया है ना 1:3:5. So 3/1 and L is 5:3:1. So L1/L2 5/3. Correct, no? What is 25? 5 square 25. 3 square 9 into 3/1. So is it 25/3? Yes or no?
Yes.
Copy. Rho d L square by M in terms of mass. Completed till 25/3.
Yes, sir.
What is L2/L3?
3/1.
3/5. 3/5. L2/L3 na? Sorry. 3/1. 3/1.
3 by 1.
3/1. Yes. Extremely sorry. ये बराबर किया ना L1/L2 हाँ square. And what is M3/M2?
5/3.
5/3. So R2/R3 will become 9/1 into 5/3. 3 3s are 9. 15/1. अब ये क्या है इधर R2 3 है ना?
Multiply by 5.
नहीं इधर 3 है ना R2
Yes, sir.
और इधर 15 है ना?
Yes, sir.
ओके चलो पहले इतना लिखो फिर समझाता हूँ आपको. R2/R3 we got 15:1. Karan, Anaya, understood?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to combine this ratio such that R2 becomes same in both. Right now they are different. One is 3, other is 15. Copy till end, then tell so that I can separately explain the combination of ratio.
Done, sir.
Okay. So first ratio we got R1/R2 is 25/3 and then we got R2/R3 15/1. How to make this two same?
Multiply by 5.
Multiply by 5.
5.
Multiply by 5 the first equation, both numerator and denominator. So it will become 125/15. Now tell me what is ratio of R2, R1, R2, R3.
125 is to 15 is to 1.
मत समय ना difficult है क्या नहीं? This is difficult one. So correct answer is D. Understand and then complete. Any doubt? Please ask again. In MCQ test one sum I will give of this type. Pakka. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. The internal resistance of a cell of EMF 2 volt is 0.1 ohm. It is connected to a resistance of 0.9 ohm. The voltage across the cell will be 0.5 volt, 1.8 volt, 1.95 and 3 volt. Internal resistance of cell whose EMF is 2 volt is 0.1 ohm. It is connected to 0.9 ohm resistance. What is voltage across cell? Please copy, then I am drawing the diagram to explain you the concept. Chalo, written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is a cell. This one is its internal resistance. Cell is of EMF 2 volt. Internal resistance 0.1 ohm. It is connected to a resistance of 0.9 ohm. What is potential voltage across cell? Voltage across cell का मतलब वोल्टेज अक्रॉस ये वायर एक ही है ना, ये दो वायर का बीच का वोल्टेज, मतलब इनडायरेक्टली रेजिस्टेंस का वोल्टेज. Battery of EMF E will give voltage to resistor, suppose V, and it will take थोड़ा खुद को वोल्टेज, उसको बोलते हैं इंटरनल वोल्टेज. So V is E equals to V plus I into small r. That means if I get I, my problem is solved, because I, this V you can also write as I into capital R. So whenever such circuit is given, first find total current. These two resistors are in series or in parallel? पैरेलल है, सेम करंट फ्लो हो रहा है ना. देखो इधर से करंट स्टार्ट होएगा, ऐसे करंट आया 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 गया 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 गया, सेम जा रहा है ना सब में, तो सीरीज है ना ये. From here current will come na from battery, so it will come here, same current will come here, same current will come here, so ये series हो गया ना. हेलो हेलो, सीरीज है. अगर ऐसा रहता ना दो रेजिस्टेंस, इधर से करंट आया, दो टुकड़े में डिवाइड हो गया, नाउ दिस टू आर इन पैरेलल. ओके, तो ये कौन सा है अपना, सेम करंट है ना, सीरीज है. सो टोटल करंट इज टोटल वोल्टेज, दैट मींस EMF into R plus upon R plus R. This formula followed. करंट इज वोल्टेज अपॉन रेजिस्टेंस, तो टोटल करंट के लिए बैटरी का ईएमएफ टोटल वोल्टेज है और रेजिस्टेंस R प्लस R सीरीज में, इसलिए यस, एनी डाउट इन करंट फॉर्मूला?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No.
No, if nobody is having doubt, then it is very good. E is 2, 0.9 plus 0.1 is total resistance. 0.9 plus 0.1, is it 1? So current is 2 ampere or not? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Voltage across cell is denoted by V. It is I into R. I is 2, R is 0.9. So 1.8 volt. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Or,
Yes, sir.
or second method, बैटरी का वोल्टेज इज टर्मिनल वोल्टेज, मतलब बैटरी का अक्रॉस में माइनस आई आर, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. सो V इज E, V प्लस, सॉरी, V इक्वल टू E माइनस I इंटू R. इज टू, जगह नहीं है, पहले इतना करो, इतना करो पहला, तो सेकेंड मेथड भी बता देता हूँ. फर्स्ट इज ऑलवेज फाइंड टोटल करंट विच इज टोटल वोल्टेज, मतलब बैटरी का वोल्टेज, अपॉन टोटल रेजिस्टेंस, मतलब दोनों रेजिस्टेंस सीरीज वाला. दिस इज कंपैरेटिवली इजी चैप्टर, लॉ ऑफ मोशन से इजी है ये.
Done, sir.
Can I clear the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So second method, battery ka across voltage means V, but our formula is when battery is supplying E is bahar wala plus IR, so V will become E minus IR. E is 2, I we got 2 and R is 0.1. So 2 minus 0.2, 1.8 volt. Both method will give you same result. Hello? But I will
Yes,
prefer
sir.
first method because I मिल गया तो I into capital R V best method है. Right? You write or this method also.
Done, sir.
Next one. Five dry cells, each of voltage 1.5 volt, are connected as shown in diagram. One diagram, 2, 3, 4, 5 0. Each are 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Plus minus, plus minus, minus plus, plus minus, plus minus. ये एक के बाद एक मीन सीरीज है ना ये. हेलो हेलो,
Yes, sir.
दिस इज सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन और नॉट? सीरीज है ना, एक ही वायर है तो सीरीज होता है. इफ यू सी क्लियरली, कोई तो एक सेल आपको उल्टा दिखता रहेगा. कौन सा उल्टा दिख रहा है जरा नाम?
थर्ड वाला.
Sir, E3.
E3 बराबर. तो ये E2 E3 मिलके कैंसल हो जाएगा ना, उल्टा है तो.
Yes, sir.
मतलब इसका 1.5 और ये इसका 1.5 सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा बराबर, तो ये कैंसल. तो व्हाट विल बी E टोटल? ओनली E1, या आई राइट ऑल E2
E.
प्लस E3 प्लस E4, जो उल्टा है उसको माइनस लिखूंगा तो खलास हो गया ना काम. तो दिस इज 1.5, दिस इज 1.5, ये उल्टा कनेक्टेड है तो इसका माइनस 1.5 होएगा, तो ये दोनों कैंसिल होगा ना. हेलो,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
so what is total voltage? 4.5 volt, because these two are ulta. Ulta means you subtract voltage. दोनों सेम है तो इक्वल अपोजिट कैंसल ईच अदर. उल्टा क्यों? इसका करंट इधर जाएगा, इसका करंट इधर जाएगा, तो दोनों का करंट उल्टा, मतलब वोल्टेज इज अपोजिंग. नॉट फॉलोड? when cells are connected with same terminal, we say they are opposing. Opposing matlab EMF is what? Difference. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yes, please solve.
Done, sir.
Now I have sent you the PDF. Just check whether you can see that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First question is given: when current flows in conductor, order of magnitude of drift velocity. Can you see that? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Are you remembering what is order of drift velocity? Order,
10 raised to minus 4.
yes. In what?
Meter per second.
Drift velocity equal to 10 raised to minus 4 in meter per second. Check whether we have this option. नहीं है. इसको सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करें क्या?
Yes.
तो 10 raised to minus 2 हो जाएगा ना ये. That means option B. Ten raised to minus 4 meter. Meter I converted into centimeter. I got 10 raised to minus 2. Next, the specific resistance of wire. Does it varies with length, varies with cross section, varies with mass, or independent of length and cross section? Yes. Hello. See, when we say R is proportional to L by A, then we write R is rho L by A, where rho is a constant called as specific resistance or resistivity. So what you say, rho is constant or variable? Constant, correct. वो खाली temperature change हो गया तो ही change होगा, because resistance will change when temperature will change. So rho will also change when temperature will change. Otherwise it is constant. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Specific resistance will depend upon only two things: material and temperature, not on length, on area. So second one, write down, very important question. Generally we'll write it is proportional to length by seeing the word resistance, but specific resistance is particular resistance for 1 meter and 1 meter square, and it is a constant for given material. Can I clear now screen? Can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Third, resistance of wire of uniform diameter and length L, diameter D, length L, has radius R. The resistance of another wire of same material means rho is same material, but diameter 2D, length 4L, will have resistance how much? First वाले का resistance is R, second वाले का you have to find. What is formula for R in terms of length? Rho L by area, correct?
Yes, sir.
अभी same material का rho same, so R1 upon R2 will be L1 upon L2 into A2 upon A1. Is it right? Yes or no, right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So this is R upon R2. Length first is L, second is 4L. Area of second is pi. R2 square upon pi. R1 square, pi cancel, LL cancel. R का relation मालूम नहीं है. See, when D 1, hello, hello, hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Do you know ratio of resistance is same as ratio of diameter? Diameter means double R1, दूसरा वाला लिया तो डबल R2, रेशियो लिया तो क्या आएगा? रेशियो ऑफ रेडियस इज सेम एज रेशियो ऑफ डायमीटर.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now two more line. I can say R upon R2 is 1 by 4. R2 means D2 upon D1, the whole square. R2, R1 is same as d2 upon d1 power 2 I have taken outside. Now r upon r2 is 1 by 4. Second diameter is 2d, first diameter is d. I can cancel dd. What is 2 square? Is it 4?
4.
That means resistance will remain same or not?
Yes, sir.
Everybody has followed this sum?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, please write. See, only there are small trick, but sum is relatively, I feel, easier. चलो हो गया ये थर्ड.
Done, sir.
Okay. Fourth. This also is important. If 0.1% increase in length is increased, ऊपर arrow मतलब increased by 0.1% due to stretching, then percentage increase in resistance is how much? What is R1 upon R2 while stretching in terms of length? L1 upon L2 square. Correct, no? When wire is stretched, then what we prove? R1 upon R2 is L1 upon L2 square. Correct? Arya, Isha? Neha?
Yes, sir.
Pranjali?
Yes, sir.
Tell me second formula of R1 R2 in area.
R1 upon R2 square.
A2 upon A1 square. In area A2 upon A1 square. In terms of radius R2 upon R1 raised to 4. बराबर ना?
Oh, yes, sir.
Whenever you see length is increased or decreased by less than 5%, तो आप ऐसा स्टार्ट कर दो. ये ऐसा मिला ना हम लोग को, since R1 upon R2 is L1 upon L2 का स्क्वायर, that means R is proportional to L square. बराबर ना? एक ही लिया तो. हेलो?
Yes, sir.
When this
Yes, sir.
increase is less than 5, then use this formula. Directly write R is proportional to L square. So percentage increase in R is power become multiplier. Percentage change in L. है ना? ये किया था ना हम लोग ने मेजरमेंट में. Power becomes multiplier. Percentage increase in R is इसका power 2 times percentage increase in L. Okay. So 2 into 0.1. How much is the answer? 0.2%. कथन followed.
Yes, sir.
फिर से एक बार देख लो. फिर से एक बार. सम नंबर क्या था ये? थर्ड था क्या? फोर्थ था?
Fourth.
Fourth, sir.
लेंथ इज इंक्रीज्ड बाय 0.1%. अभी ऐसा नहीं बोला है डबल ट्रिपल, परसेंटेज में दिया है. सो व्हेनेवर गिवन इन परसेंटेज less than 5, then you have to use this concept, because R1 upon R2 is L1 upon L2 square when wire is stretched. When wire is stretched. So I can say R proportional L square percentage increase in resistance is 2 times percentage increase in length. So 2 into 0.1 equal to 0.2%. This is the answer. Now some of you may say, sir, then if it is more than 5, what to do? Then you will write like this. L2 is original L1 plus जितना भी इंक्रीज होएगा ना वो सपोज 10%, तो 10 upon 100 of original. So L2 will become 100 plus 10, 110 L1 upon 100. फिर आप R1 upon R2 L1 upon L2 the whole square में ये वैल्यू डाल देना. ऐसा आया समझ में?
Yes, sir.
लेस देन 5 के लिए ये चलेगा, मोर देन 5 के लिए ऐसा जाएंगे. सेम मेथड. L1 upon L2, L2 का वैल्यू 110 upon 100 and then simplify. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please solve. Very important sum. Yesterday's paper was very simple.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
I think everybody should score full. This Sunday you will have test on MCQ of current. So keep on practicing. And if doubt is there, ask me next lecture. If done, then tell fast. Aman done?
Waiting
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aman, हो गया? Chalo, everybody is done. Can I clear it off?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Fifth one, theoretical. The alloys namek constant turn and manganese are used to make standard resistance because they have low temperature coefficient. Low temperature coefficient होगा तो जल्दी change नहीं होता है. Low temperature coefficient और एक क्या बोला है? High resistivity. They have got high resistivity and low temperature coefficient. Yes, both are correct. मतलब उसका रेजिस्टेंस ज्यादा होता है और चेंज नहीं होता है, इसलिए वी यूज दिस वायर. सो ऑप्शन डी. सिक्स्थ वन. फिफ्थ ऑप्शन इज डी. सिक्स्थ. स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस मींस रो is 50 into 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter. The resistance of cube of length 50 centimeter will be how much? 50 centimeter is 50 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. What will be the resistance of that cube? So R is rho L by area. What is area of cube? Area of cross section of cube. This is cube. What will be area of cross section if current enters like this or like this? Hello? अरे बोलो, एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन क्या होएगा? क्यूब है ना ये. क्यूब का फेस क्या रहता है?
L square.
हाँ, L square.
L square.
तो ये रो एक L कैंसल. Rho is 50 into 10 raised to minus 8. This is 50 into 10 raised to minus 2. That means it is 10 raised to minus 6 ohm. हो गया 10 raised to minus 6 option E. Nandani, Tirtha, Vaishnavi, you all are following properly?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Every lecture I am telling physics is not difficult if doubt is clear. Done?
Yes, sir.
Sum number 7. Equal potentials are applied on an iron and copper wire. Iron and copper wire. Equal voltages are applied. V1, V2 are same. Same length. Length is also same. In order to have same current flowing in the two wire, current is also same. The ratio of radius of iron to that of copper must be how much? Okay, ratio of radius must be how much, given that specific resistance of iron is 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7 ohm meter, and that of copper, matlab second one, is 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter. Voltage is same, no? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
V1 is same as V2. That means I1 R1 is same as I2 R2. I1 I2 are same. This is rho 1 L1 upon A1 is rho 2 L2 upon A2. L1 L2 are same. So rho 1 upon pi R1 square is rho 2 upon pi R2 square. Pi cancel. Till this much you have followed?
Yes, sir.
Copy till this. Just wait 1 minute. R1 upon R2 the whole square, I got 10 raised to minus 7 upon 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 8. Minus 8 goes up, it will become minus 7 plus 8, that is 10 upon 1.7. So this decimal denominator का निकाला, ऊपर हो गया 100. I hope you all followed this. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you take square root, what is 100 का square root?
10.
10 बराबर. 17 को 16 समझ लूं क्या?
हाँ सर.
100 इसको 16 समझ लेते हैं ना, कितना होएगा? 4 ना?
2.5.
तो 2.5 के आसपास में होना चाहिए आंसर.
ऑप्शन
इसने
बी.
इसने बोला अबाउट, है क्या 2.5 के आसपास में? है?
2.4 सर.
हाँ, यस, बी इज आंसर. एग्जैक्ट बोला है अबाउट, मतलब इट इज अबाउट व्हाट? तो 2.4 का अबाउट ये 2.4 ही है. So if you have completed, tell. Then one more last sum I'm doing.
Answer.
Yes, done. I'm done.
Sir.
हाँ, लेक्चर के बाद 2 मिनट रुकना आप. हाँ, yes. 8th one, very important again. All are important, sum only which is collected here. When current I is passed through a wire of constant resistance, it produces potential difference V. The graph drawn below between log I and log V will represent which one? Log I, log V का ग्राफ कैसा होएगा? Avan,
Yes sir.
what is relation between V, I, R?
E is equals to I.
Yes, V equal to I, R, बराबर. अभी वो लोग ने क्या बोला है? लॉग का चाहिए ना अपने को ग्राफ.
Log.
बोला है ना सर, लॉगरिथम का ग्राफ चाहिए ना.
Yes sir.
So I'm putting log on both sides. मैथ्स में log स्टार्ट हुआ आपको?
Yes sir.
What is log of AB?
Log A plus log B.
Very good. Log A plus log B. Who is Y in our case here? Log I क्या log V? देखो डायग्राम देखो. Log I Y है ना,
Yes sir.
और ये X है ना,
Yes yes sir.
और ये कांस्टेंट है ना, बिकॉज R कांस्टेंट है. करेक्ट.
Yes sir.
तो Y इक्वल टू X माइनस कांस्टेंट हो गया क्या? नहीं.
Yes, sir.
अभी इसका मतलब इट इज स्ट्रेट लाइन. Y इक्वल टू mx प्लस c क्या रहता है? स्ट्रेट लाइन होता है ना.
Straight line है sir.
तो इट हैज टू बी स्ट्रेट लाइन. पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन वाला है क्या? पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन वाला है क्या? नहीं ना.
No, sir.
पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन में c0 होएगा. सो दिस इज ग्राफ whose स्लोप इज पॉजिटिव और ये y इंटरसेप्ट निगेटिव है ना. ऐसा निगेटिव ना, माइनस मतलब निगेटिव ना.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir.
तो ऐसा पास होना चाहिए कि नहीं?
Yes sir.
Log of I is our y and this is v. Hello, Karan Karan Bora.
Yes, sir.
This is similar to which one? Is it like A?
Yes, sir.
Because if you cut this तो इतना बचेगा ना ऊपर वाला. एक्सटेंड किया तो वही मिलने वाला है ना अपने को. तो आंसर इज व्हाट? A. Not followed? फिर से देख लो एक बार.
Sir, got it.
Got it? Yes. Isha, Neha, Pranjali, Arya, you all have followed this?
Yes, sir.
देखो y इक्वल टू mx है. अभी ये m पॉजिटिव मतलब एंगल एक्यूट और c निगेटिव, तो इधर से स्टार्ट होएगा. ऐसा होना चाहिए ग्राफ. ये पार्ट नहीं दिया हम लोग को, खाली इधर तक दिया है तो भी चलेगा ना. यही तो A is our answer. Please draw right and right, then draw this graph. If not following, please ask us separately. I will explain. Don't carry your doubt at home. Kathan,
Yes, sir.
समझ गया ये concept?
हाँ, sir.
ठीक है. Y intercept negative, तो negative से ऐसा चालू होएगा. That is similar to A. If you see by your fourth eye, extend Y पे कट होएगा ना वो. Wednesday, Friday, again I will be doing MCQ. Sunday's test will be only on MCQ.
Sir.
Done, sir.
Done? So today we stop here. Please practice all the sums which I did today. All
Sure.
very important one. Yes?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Say.